Welcome back to my channel. My name is Carolina and today I want to show you how to make this cute sweater using my new sewing pattern called Jolie. To make this pattern I used this very cute fabric that I bought online. I hope it's still available. I'll leave link down below if I could still find it. And it's like, it has a texture on one side and then looks like this on the inside, and it stretches both ways. It's a knitted fabric with a glossy finish, which I very much love. And if you want to see how to make Jolie pattern, which is super easy to make and it's beginner friendly, then just continue watching. To start, fold the sleeve in half and sew them together with a 1 cm seam allowance using a zigzag stitch. As this is knitted fabric, I'll use a zigzag stitch throughout the whole tutorial. Then overlock the seam allowance. Join together the front and back panels on the shoulders and sides. Sew them together and overlock the seam allowance. With a sweater on the wrong side and sleeve on the right side, insert the sleeve and sew the armhole. Then finish off by overlocking the seam allowance.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
Moving on to the neck piece, fold it in half and sew the edge together using a zigzag stitch. Trim the seam allowance, but be careful not to cut the stitch line. Fold the neck piece in half and secure it with pins. Mark the center back and center front of the neckline using pins.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas.
The stitch line of the neck piece should be at the back.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies.
Then sew the neckline piece to the neck and overlock the seam allowance.
With you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Fold the waist piece in half and sew the edges together using a zigzag stitch. Trim the seam allowance, but be careful not to cut the stitch line. Then fold the waist piece in half and starting with a stitch line on the side, pin the waist piece to the sweater. Then overlook the seam allowance. As the next step, make gathers on the sleeve. Fold the cuff piece in half and sew the edges using a zigzag stitch. Pull the seam to snap and break the gather stitch on the cuff, and that's it, your perfect Jolie sweater. Thank you for watching.